Okay, so 0.5 is a terminating decimal. So at last we get 0. So it is terminating decimals. And the next value 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3. Above 3 we have added bar. So 1 by 3. 1 divided by 3 is 0. Keep decimal, add 0. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. And already we have kept the decimal place here. Add 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1. So as it 3 goes on. So we call it as non-terminating and recurring. And the next 1 by 4. If you divide 1 by 4, 1 by 4, again 0, keep decimal, add 0, 4 2s are 8, remaining 2, already we have decimal here, add 1 0, 5 4s are 20. So we get 0. Okay, so it is terminating. So 1 by 6, if you divide 1 by 6, so 0, keep decimal, add 1 0, 1 6 are 6, remaining 4, already we have decimal, so add 0, 6 6 are 36, 40 subtracted by 36 is 4, so already we have decimal, add 1 0, again we have 36. So it goes on. So 0.166. Here I have written 0.166 because 6 it moves on. So we'll call it as non-terminating and recurring decimal. And again 1 divided by 7. 1 divided by 7. So 0, keep decimal, add 0, 1 7s are 7, remaining 3. Okay, add 0. So some 4s are 28. Remaining 2. Add 0. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14, 6. So already we have decimal, add 1 0. 8 7s are 56. 60 minus 56, 4. We don't have next number, so add 0. 7 5s are 35. Remaining 5. Okay. And next, again you have to add 1 0. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49, 1. So we have come to the starting place itself. So 1. If you again do same number, so once again 1 7s are 7. If you add 0, 1 7s are 7, and again 3. The next step again 14. Okay. So now the numbers are repeated. That is 0.142857. Again what will come? 142857. So if you keep on moving, again we will be getting 142857. So here I have written 0.142857 is repeated. So it is non-terminating and recurring decimal. And again here we have if a rational number p divided by q, that is p divided by q must not be equal to 0. So q is not equal to 0 can be expressed as p divided by, split the powers. So 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So you have to take it as p divided by, so the rational number p divided by 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, where p belongs to an integer, that is z. So and m comma n belongs to w. M and n must be belongs to w, that is whole number 0 1 2 3 4 5. If it is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 0, because it is given as m and n belongs to w. If it is 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Any number which has a power as 0, it is 1. So into 5 to the power of n. Okay. Then the rational number will have a terminating and terminating decimal. Otherwise it will be a terminating or non-terminating decimals. Now let us move on with exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Express the following rational numbers into decimal and state the kind of decimal expansion. Whether we have to check up whether it is a terminating or non-terminating and recurring decimals. 7 8s are 56. 60 subtracted by 56 we have 4 and add 0. 7 5s are 35. 40 subtracted to 35 minus we get 5. So add 0. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49 1. Again add 0. 1 7s are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, so we don't have any number, so add 0. 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. So again add 0. 7 2s are 14. So you can see we have come to the starting place. Okay, so after we continue with this division, again we will be getting 7 2s are 14. Again we have to write 7 2s are 14. So remaining 6, again 60. Again we will be having 8. So we can end up here and write 2 divided by 7 is equal to 0.285714. So all these numbers are repeated. So if we continue with this, 7 2s are 14 and again we will be going with all these steps. So 0.285714. So therefore the given number 2 by 7 is a non-terminating and recurring decimal. Even you can call it as 0.285714 bar. So as it repeats all the numbers. Okay, question number 2. So minus 5, 3 divided by 11. Okay, so multiplication and plus. It's in a mixed form. So first convert. 11 5s are 55. 55 plus 3, 58. So 58 by 11. And don't forget to write this minus. So minus 58 by 11. So again we have to do normal division. So 58 divided by 11. 11 tables is very easy. 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. 8 minus 5, 3. So we don't have any other number. Keep decimal, add 0. 11 2s are 22. 30 minus 22 is 8. Okay. Already we have decimal, so add 0. 11 7s are 77. Remaining 80 minus 77 is 3. Keep decimal, add 0. So now you can see, again we have come to this place. So 30, if you multiply 11 2s are 22. And again we will be having 8, 0. So here it is repeated. So 2 7. So we can end up here 5.27. So minus 5 3 by 11 is equal to 5.27. So if you do again 80, so 11 7s are 77. 2 7 is repeated. 5.27. So therefore the given number is non-terminating and recurring decimal. Okay. Question number 3, 22 by 3. So divide 22 with 3. So 7 3s are 21. 2 minus 1, 1. We don't have next number, so keep decimal, add 0. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. So already we have decimal, add 1 0. So again it continues. Now you can see 22 divided by 3 is equal to 7.5. number 4. 327 divided by 200. So looking at 200 or 327, don't think so, it is very tough. 200, you can go with multiples of 2. So 2 ones are 2. If you put 2 twos are 4, it will be more than 327. It will become 400. So 2 ones are, that is 200 ones are 200. 7 minus 0, 7. 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So we don't have next number. Keep decimal at 0. So go with 2 tables. That is 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. If you go with 2 7s are, it will be more than 1217. Why? Because 2 7s are 14. So 1400. So it will be more than 1270. So go with 2 6 are 12. 12 and 2 zeros. 0 minus 0 0. 7 minus 0 7. And add one more 0. 700. So 3 2s are 6. That is 600. 0 0 1. So already we have decimal. So add one more 0. 2 5s are 2 5s are 10 and this 2 0. Okay. So if we divide 327 by 200, we get 1.635. Now you can compare both the sums. As if 1 continues and again we will go with 3 3s are 9. Again we will be getting 1. But here it ends with 0. So it is terminating decimal. Question number 2. Express 1 by 13 in a decimal form and find the length of the period of decimals. Let's go with normal division. 1 divided by 13. 1, 13. 13. 1 is less than 13. So add 1 0. Keep decimal. Add 1 0. Again 13 is greater than 10. So add 0 and again 1 more 0 here. So now it becomes 100. So write the multiples of 13. 13. 1s are 13. 13 2s are 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2. So 13 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 13 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 1 4s are 4. 5. So 13 into 5. 15, 1, 1 5s are 5, 6. So 13 into 6, 18 plus 1, 78. And 13 into 7, 1. Some 3s are 21, 1 remaining 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. And 13 into 8, 8 3s are 24, remaining 2, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. So it is more than 100. So we need only 100. So we have to go with 91. So 7, 13s are 91. So subtract 0, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9, 9, 0 and 0. So 100 minus 91, it is 9. So as we get decimal already, add 1 0. So 90. So we will go with 78. So 13 into 6, 78. 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So 8 minus 7, 1. So add 1 more 0, 120. So we have written up to 104. So go with 9. 9 3s are 27, remaining 2, 9, 10, 11. 170. So 13 into 10, 130. So we have 9 times 170. So 120 minus 117 is 3. So 10 minus 7, 3. So add 1 0. So 30. 26 is less than 30. So go with 39. 40 minus 39, 1. So we have come to the starting place. So if we add 0, it will go as 10. 10 is less than 13. So again we will be having 0 and then 1. We have to add one more 0. As it goes on like 0, 7, 6, 9, 2, 3. So it repeats. 1 by 13 is equal to 0.07692 So if you continue with 1, we will start with 0. So if you put 0, again we have 0, then only we will add one more 0 and we will continue the same way. So 0.076923. After expressing in a decimal form, we have one more question. Find the length of the period of decimal. Length of the period of decimal is nothing but after decimal, how many places we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So therefore, the length of the period of decimals is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have written 6. Okay. Question number 3. Express the rational number 1 by 33 in recurring decimal form by using the recurring decimal expansion of 1 by 11. Hence, write 71 by 33 in recurring decimal form. So first of all, go with 1 by 11 and apply 1 by 11 value in 1 by 33 and hence both we have to apply in 71 by 33 to find the recurring decimal form. So first of all, let us find 1 by 11, decimal expansion of 1 by 11. So 1 divided by 11, 1 is less than 11. So add 0, keep decimal and add 1 0. Again 10 is less than 11. So add 0 and again 0 here. So 11 9s are 90, 11. 100 minus 99, 1. Okay. So already again if you add 0, again 0. So it is less than 11. So again we have to add one more 0. 11 9s are 99. So again it will go on as 1 1. So the value of 1 by 11 is 0.0909. So we can rewrite as 0.09 as it repeats. Okay. And then go with 1 by 33. 1 by 33 you can write this form, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 11. Okay. So as we found 1 by 11 decimal value already, just we have to apply 1 by 3 into 1 by 11. So 1 by 11 is equal to 0.09. Okay. So 3 ones are 0, decimal 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So 0.03. Okay. So 1 by 3, 1 by 33 is equal to 0.03 bar. So now we have to apply in 71 by 33. So 71 by 33. So first divide 71 by 33 write in a mixed form. 71 by 33. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 66. 6, 11 minus 6 is 5. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. So it is 5. Write as 71 by 33 is equal to 2 5 by 30. So 2 5 by 33 write as 2 plus 5 within bracket. So if you remove 2 plus 5, if you remove 5 you will be having 1 by 33. So into 1 by 33 is equal to 2 plus 5. For 1 by 33, 1 by 33 already we have found 0.03. So here it is multiplication sign. Write as 0.03. So 2 plus multiply. Okay. So 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Remaining 1. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. 5 zeros are 0. Okay. So now add 2 plus 0.15. 2 is a whole number. 0.15. So keep decimal. Add 2 zeros. Simply add. Okay. 2.15. So 2.15. Here we have bar. Okay. So therefore 7 by 33 is equal to 2.15. Question number 4. Express the following decimal expression into rational numbers. Question number 1. 0.24 bar. So 0.24 bar is nothing but 0.24 as it continues and goes on as 2424. So non-dominating and recurring decimal. So taking this, x is equal to 0.24 and taking this as 1. And here you can see after decimal we have 2 places. So tens and 100. 100 into x. So 100 into x. After moving 2 places, that is 24 decimal, and then again we will be having 24. Taking this as equation number 2. So in the next step, subtract equation number 2 minus 1. So taking second equation, that is 100x is equal to 24.24. You can write number of times. Okay. So 24.2424 minus first equation. X is equal to 0. So 0.2424. Okay. Subtract 100x minus x is 99x. So here we have 100 minus 1, 99. Right? X as is. So 2424. Even if you write 24 again here and again if you have 24, 440. 2 minus 2 0. So all goes as 0. So minus 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 4 0. Again it continues as 0. So 24 minus 0, 24.0. So after decimal we have 0. So omitting 0, write 24 and keep this x in the left side and take 99 to the right side. 24 divided by 99. Now you can see both goes in 3 tables. So 3 8s are, 3 3s are and 3 3s are. So 33 into 3, 99. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by 32. Okay. Question number 2. So 2.327. So 327 is repeated. Okay. So the question, reread the question. 2.327 and again 327. Okay. Now considering x is equal to 2.327. Rewrite 327 again. 327 as equation 1. And now you can see after decimal we have 3 places. Tens, 100 and 1000. So multiply with 1000. 1000 into x is equal to, so you have to move 3 places. So after decimal, write as 2327. Okay, 2327. Keep decimal and write 327. Taking this as subtract 2 minus 1. So second equation minus first equation. Second equation 1000x is equal to 2327 decimal 327. And go with first equation. X is equal to 2.327. So 2 point, right? 2.327. Be careful with decimal. So here we have to write 2 only here. So 2.327. Subtract. Okay. 1000 minus 1. 999. X is equal to, here everything goes as 0. 327. To subtract we get 0. Okay. And 7 minus 2, 5. And repeat all the numbers 2, 3, 2. Okay. Having x around the left side, 2325 divided by 999. 999 goes to the right side. So now you can see 9 and 3 both will go in 3 tables. So 3 sevens are 21, remaining 2. Again 7 threes are 21. So remaining 1, 5 threes are 15. Divided by 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. Therefore, x is equal to 775 divided by 333. Okay. Question number 3, minus 5.132. There is no bar. Do in a simple way, minus 5 decimal. After decimal, tens, 100 and 1000. So 1 by 10 plus this given us 3 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. So here 5 we have as a whole number. So convert this as even, right? 1 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. So to make it equal, 5 1 into 1000. So into 1000 both to the numerator as well as the denominator. And here we have 10. So if you take 1 0, you have to multiply with 100. Both to the numerator as well as denominator. Already we have 100. So into 10. Okay. So minus 5 by 1000 is common. Minus 5 plus 100 plus 30 plus 5 into 1000, it is 5000. Is equal to minus 5000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 2 divided by 1000. So 100 plus 30 plus 2. So 5000. Here minus 5000. 100, 30 plus 2, 132. You have to subtract with 5000. 4, 9. So 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 4. So 4868. So 5000 is greater. So minus 4868 by 1000. So you can see both goes in 2 tables. So minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Divided by 5 2s are 10 and remaining 2 zeros. Again it will go in 2 tables. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. By 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10 and 0. So therefore it is equal to minus 101 3.17. Here you can see for 7 alone it is given as bar. So you have to rewrite only 7. So taking 3.17, I have to repeat 7 alone. Okay, so consider x is equal to 3.1777 as 1 and here 3.17. So take one place as 10 into x is equal to 31.77 as second equation. Okay, and again take after 2 decimal because 7 is repeated. So after decimal we have 2 places. So taking this as 100 into x is equal to 317 because we are taking after 2 decimal places. 317 decimal 77. Taking this as equation number 3. So just you can subtract 3 minus 2. So taking third equation minus second equation. Third equation 100x is equal to 317.77 subtracted 10x is equal to 31. So write like this, keep decimal 77 subtract. So 100 minus 10 is 90x is equal to here after decimal everything goes as 0. 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0 and 7 minus 1 is 6 here. So 11 minus 3 8 286. Having x alone in the left side and write 286, take 90 to the right side. So last number is 6 and here we have 0. So both will go in 2 tables. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 threes are. Divided by 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Remaining one 5 twos are 10. So therefore x is equal to 143.45. Question number 5, 17.215. Here only 15 is given in bar. So you have to repeat only 15. So taking x is equal to 17.215. Okay, taking this as 1. And again after decimal before bar take 1 places. Here after decimal 2 is here. So if you move on to 1 place becomes tens. So 10 x is equal to 172.1515. Taking this as 2. Okay, and then here after the whole thing. So after decimal tens, 100 and 1000. So 1000 into x is equal to 1721.5 point. So 215.1515 as third equation. So subtracting 3 minus 2. So 1000 x is equal to 17215.1515 minus 10 into x. So from the after decimal write 1515 and before decimal 271. So subtract. So here after decimal everything goes as 0. 5 minus 2 3 and 11 minus 7 4. 1 minus 1 0. 7 So write as minus 21.213777. Taking this as equation 1. And then here go with decimal place before 7, that is tens, hundred and thousand. So 1000 into x is equal to minus 21.213.777. Okay. So and again we have to take the whole thing after 7. So tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So 10,000 into x is equal to minus 21.2137. Okay, keep decimal and continue with 7. Taking this as third equation. So subtract third equation minus second equation. Third equation we have 10,000x is equal to minus 212137.77. Okay, and then subtract with 1000, 0, 0, 0. Okay, is equal to minus, so 777 before decimal 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here subtract, so 10,000 minus 1000, 0, 0, 0, 10 minus 1, 9. So 9,000x is equal to, here we are doing subtraction, already we have minus. So different sign, again subtraction. So 0 after decimal 0, 0. 7 minus 3 is 4, 3 minus 1, 2. 11 minus 2, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. 9, 1. Okay. So having x is equal to 190924 divided by 9,000. Okay. Last number is 4 and here we have 0. Both will go in 2 tables. 2 9 2s are 18. 1, 5 2s are 10 and 4 2s are 8 and 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. 5, 4 2s are 8, 1, 5 2s are 10 and 2 0. Again it will go in 2 tables. So 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 7 2s are 14, 1, 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 0. So therefore x is equal to 47731 divided by 2250. Here while subtracting 2,12,137 is greater. So you have to do minus. So therefore x is equal to minus 47,731 by 2,250. Question number 5. Without actual division, find which of the following rational numbers have terminating decimal expansion. Here question number 1. 7 by 128. So you 7 by 128. So for 128, take LCM. 2. Last number is 8. It will go in 2 tables. So 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. So again 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 and 6 2s are 12. So 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 128 is 2 to the power of 7. So therefore it is a terminating decimal expansion. a terminating decimal as it is in the form of p divided by 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. And here question number 2, 21 divided by 15. So 7 3s are 21 by 5 3s are 15 and again 7 by 5. So therefore 5 to the power of 1. So therefore 21 by 15 is terminating decimal. Question number 3, 4 9 by 35. So we have multiplied and plus. So 35 into 4. 5 4s are 20, remaining 2. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. Plus 9. So 149 is equal to 149 by 35. So write in the form of p 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So 149 divided by 35. 35 is 7 into 5. Actually, if you see, you can see that it is not in the form of p by 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So therefore it is non-terminating and recurring decimal. Question number 4, 219 divided by 2200. First convert in the form of p by 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n. So first go with denominator and find LCM 2200. Find the factors of 2200. Last number is 0. So 2 1s are and 2 zeros. 2 5s are 10 and again 2 5s are 10 is 0 and 2 2s are 4 remaining 1. Some 2s are 14. Last number is 5 2s are 10. So last number we have 5. So go with 5 tables. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2. Again 5 5s are 25. So 5 11s are 35. Okay, now 219 by 2 1 2 3. So 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 2 into 11 to the power of 1. So now if you check up with the form of p divided by 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, actually it is not in the form.